In the world, we Indians snore the most by a factor of 1 hour and 40 minutes on average. And women snore more than men, 40-year-old women and 70-year-old women. So the question really here is, why do we sleep? It's not enough that we sleep. We spend one third of our life sleeping, technically doing nothing. But what is really the purpose for it? Yeah, good questions. I've got answers. Come follow me.